Most people think of bacteria, they think of germs or things that, make you sick. When actually, less than 1% of the bacteria that exist on our planet make us sick. The majority of bacteria are good for us. And so the bacteria we study are bacteria in the environment, bacteria that are involved in transformations that degrade the organic matter in lakes and rivers and in groundwater.
Our whole main project is prevalence of tetrathionate in the environment. So we are working with different environments.
Particularly, we're looking at environments like the Muskegon River and the sediment in the Muskegon River. I also get samples from a sulfur spring in Oklahoma. It's called Zodeltone. And so it's really rich in microbial diversity, and it has a lot of exciting novel bacteria that no one has ever discovered before.
Also see what bacteria may use or produce tetrathionate by growing them up on special media that just has tetrathionate in it.
Some of the bacteria that we might be growing in this lab might be important in, making new antibiotics. The good bacteria that we have could play a role in our health. They can make useful chemicals like antibiotics. They can clean up pollution, and they're all around us. Bacteria are everywhere. So in this lab, we study some of those good bacteria that are in our environment.
We're going through different environments and finding bacteria that may potentially use or produce tetrathionate, and seeing if we can find any isolates so that we can add to the knowledge of microbiology.
So what we're trying to do in this lab is trying to grow up or isolate some of these novel bacteria and then characterize who are they and what it is that they're doing in the environment. I think it's important for a number of reasons. One is just studying them for science sake, because of all of the bacteria that exist, the majority, we don't know what they do.
And so the more we study it, the more we know about diseases and the environment and things like ecology, where everything's kind of intertwined.
Well, working with the girls in my lab has been one of the best things about being a professor. At Ferris State, my goal is to give undergraduates that same opportunity. So it's not about getting a lot of papers and publishing and getting external grants. It's about giving students the chance to learn techniques and to learn how to do things in the lab, but also develop that curiosity themselves. And I've seen it with the students that I work with, that one day they'll start asking their own questions. And that's when I know that they've really learned what science is about.